and yourself.
Week mile and dash. And if you can hear me over here, you're in the right place because the starting line is right over here in the field. There'll be plenty of space for everybody. Here we go. Runners, set. He is a professional 800-meter runner. He is running.
Let's go, let's go. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Awesome!
There you go, Ali. Come on, Ali. All the way through, all the way through.
Awesome! Good job!
Go on, keep coming, keep coming. There you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. Yeah.
We've been at a couple of our midweek miles before. Maybe we'll see you at some of these later cross-country races. If you have any advice for these little kids here, maybe doing their first mile, what would it be, being an expert like yourself?
I think for maybe the start of the race, don't take off too fast because you want to save a lot for the end.
That is very wise advice. Pace yourself even in a mile race.
Yeah.
Congratulations, folks. This is Rashida. She won the first wave of our midweek mile. Awesome job.